Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Regulations dropping can flip this fast, so watch this quick shortcut. Fewer rules change business costs first, then the whole output price story follows. Start with the regulation cut itself. Fewer business rules usually mean firms spend less on compliance, paperwork, delays, and restrictions, so production becomes cheaper in the short run. When production gets cheaper, firms are willing and able to supply more at every price level, so short-run aggregate supply shifts right, and that change drives the next result. A rightward shift in short-run aggregate supply raises real output while pushing the price level down, so the matching choice is option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given facts, then check the steps, so output rises while prices fall.